Podcast Bites.
I combine this intense time in the trenches with a blend of ancestral wisdom and modern science. Search the globe for the world's top experts in performance, fat loss, recovery, hormones, brain, beauty, and brawn to deliver you this podcast. Everything you need to know to live an adventurous, joyful, and fulfilling life. My name is Ben Greenfield. Neurotransmitters. We know that amino acids serve as a precursor for neurotransmitters. What have you seen in your clinic in terms of anything related to Alzheimer's or depression and the link between neurotransmitters and these proteins?
The other thing I measure on everybody that comes in here, or almost everybody that comes in here, is levels of neurotransmitters in their urine. So we get GABA, serotonin. Anyone who has sleep problems, depression, anxiety, lack of drive, their levels of these neurotransmitters are low. And all of these neurotransmitters are from amino acids. They're from essential amino acids. Tryptophan, adenine, they're the precursors. And they're low. And part of why they're low is because they're not getting enough essential amino acids in their body for their brain to make enough of this stuff. And they have to have a good gut too, because like serotonin is like 90% of it is made by the neuroendocrine cells in the gut, and their gut has to be good health. So we're always doing everything at the same time, but they're amino acids, and you need them if you're gonna, and here's the other thing that's interesting. If your doctor prescribed for you an SSRI, Prozac, or one of those drugs, or some other kind of anti-anxiety drug, I have measured many, many people, hundreds and hundreds of people who are on these medications, and when we measure their neurotransmitter levels, they are low. These drugs do not correct the normal, they don't correct the levels of the neurotransmitters. They just cause a poison effect on the nerve to give you an effect, but it tends to wear down after a time, and then they don't work.
Okay.
So it's better to get it nutritionally.
Well, that's the thing is from a nutritional standpoint, I've also found many of my clients who have some neurotransmitter issues, because I've used the oats test and seen some issues with neurotransmitter balance, and I'm going to look into this other test that you recommended. They have difficulty sleeping at night, and when they use amino acids at night, and this is some people will recommend the use of collagen at night, which I don't do anymore. I recommend amino acids. It seems to help with sleep function as well. So there's definitely some interplay, even if you don't have depression or Alzheimer's, with some kind of an adjustment of neurotransmitters when you take these things. And so they seem to balance things out quite well.
Avocado, motherfucker.